You asked, how to divide 34,567 by 9 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 34. 34 divided by 9 equals 3. 3 times 9 equals 27. 34 minus 27 equals 7. Bring down 5, making 75. 75 divided by 9 equals 8. 8 times 9 equals 72. 75 minus 72 equals 3. Bring down 6, making 36. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. 4 times 9 equals 36. 36 minus 36 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 9 equals 0. 0 times 9 equals 0. 7 minus 0 equals 7. The remainder is 7. The final result is 3,840 remainder 7.